Hi, my name's Mark Solms. I'm a neuropsychologist and a psychoanalyst, and I've spent my working life trying to build bridges between psychoanalysis and the neurosciences. I'm going to be speaking at the International Psychotherapy Institute conference in February. So I want to tell you something about what I'm going to be saying there. The initial years of my work in terms of trying to translate psychoanalytic concepts into neuroscientific terms was a fairly academic exercise. And I was constantly asked by clinicians, but what are the implications for our work? And it put me in an embarrassing position because there weren't any. It was just a matter of trying to find what the neural correlates are of our basic psychoanalytic concepts. However, in recent years, since about 2011, we started to discover that there were some of our concepts which needed revision as we tried to identify the brain mechanisms that brought these mental phenomena about that we work with in psychoanalysis. We became aware that the two approaches didn't quite fit and some adjustments needed to be made. And then the adjustments in question did have clinical implications, because what is our clinical work if it isn't the application of a theory of the mind? And so the main focus of my presentations in February is going to be, first of all, telling you what the neuroscientific findings were that required changes to our psychoanalytic concepts, some fairly fundamental ones. And then I will go on to describe the clinical implications of those findings. And I will try to be as practical as possible in terms of setting out all of the changes that are required in our technique. So that's the main focus of the conference. There's also going to be a sort of a sidebar where I will talk about brain mechanisms of dreaming, because dreaming is such a hallowed concept in psychoanalysis, so foundational in the development of our theory. It's been a deep interest of mine, brain mechanisms of dreaming. So that will be, as I say, a sort of a sidebar. So join us in February. I for one, am very much looking forward to it. Now, how do I switch this off?